Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Eric Roth, the Oscar-winning screenwriter behind Dune, wrote the film's screenplay using a 30-year-old MS-DOS program. Other than the recently released sci-fi epic, Roth is known as the screenwriter behind Forrest Gump, for which he won an Academy Award in 1994, along with his other Oscar-nominated script, The Insider, Munich, The Curious Case of Benjamin Button, and A Star is Born, 2018. His most recent screenplay, Killers of the Flower Moon, is currently in post-production from director Martin Scorsese. To adapt Frank Herbert's seminal science fiction novel from 1965, Roth worked with fellow screenwriter John Spites, Prometheus, Doctor Strange, and their work was brought to life masterfully by director Denis Villeneuve. Dune also tapped a talented troupe of actors who handled Spites and Roth's script with depth, most notably Timothée Chalamet, Rebecca Ferguson, Oscar Isaac, Jason Momoa, Stellan Skarsgård, Josh Brolin, Javier Bardem, Dave Bautista, and Zendaya. During its opening weekend, the film grossed $41 million at the box office coupled with sizable streaming numbers on HBO Max. Now, thanks to information recently uncovered by Vice, it is known that Roth wrote 2021 es Dune using software known as Movie Master, a 30-year-old MS-DOS program which he actually uses for all his screenplays. Roth previously defended his choice of software, saying, "It's half superstition and half fear of change." Though, the program also assists Roth throughout the screenwriting process since its memory can only hold 40 pages, which naturally separates the script into assets. While Roth's choice of technology may sound silly, which it arguably is, it's somewhat fitting for the world of Herbert's Dune, where all supercomputers and intelligent robots have been outlawed. Instead, all complex computations are handled by specially trained humans known as mentats. While most modern screenwriters have moved on to programs like Final Draft, Herbert would likely identify with Roth's penchant for the old ways. With Dune, Part 2 recently receiving the green light, Roth will soon be dusting off his DOS machine, if he hasn't already, to begin adapting the second half of Herbert's novel. Roth and Spites have perhaps a bigger challenge ahead of them this time around, as the second part is expected to be exponentially bigger and faster paced, with Ferguson's Lady Jessica, Zendaya's Chani, Bardem's Stilgar, and Bautista's Beast Raven all primed for larger roles. Key characters like Emperor Shaddam Yube and Fade Rauda will also need to be introduced. With the second part of Dune now officially in development, hopefully Roth's DOS machine is up to the task. Source: Vice.